Wait a minute. When you look at Mars in the night sky, it's just a bright red dot. But how much of that world do we actually know? How much have we mapped in real detail? And how much have we truly touched with our machines on the ground? The gap between those two is way bigger than most people think. For over 50 years, Mars has been under almost constant surveillance. From Mariner and Viking to Mars Global Surveyor, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MAVEN, Mars Express, and Tianwen-1, we have scanned the entire planet in visible light, infrared, radar, and laser altimetry. The result is a complete global map of Mars at kilometer-scale resolution or better. We know the exact heights of the giant volcanoes, the depths of canyons like Valles Marineris, the structure of impact basins, and the shape of the polar ice caps. With instruments like the Mars Orbiter Laser Altimeter, scientists built a 3D elevation model that functions almost like a digital twin of the planet. Then we zoom in. HiRISE, the spy camera in orbit, can resolve objects smaller than a school desk from hundreds of kilometers up. So detailed that we see dune ripples, fresh impacts, even the tracks of our own rovers scratched into the dust. On paper, that sounds like we've conquered the map. But have we actually explored Mars? So far, only 6 rovers have ever driven on the surface: Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, Perseverance, and China's Zhurong. Add up every meter they've traveled, and you get just over 100 kilometers, on a world with the land area of all Earth's continents combined. Every rover track we've ever made on Mars would fit inside a small city back home. A handful of squiggly lines on a planet that may hold entire lost climates, and maybe lost ecosystems we have never seen. But those lines are drawn in very specific, very strategic places. Spirit and Opportunity proved that liquid water once reacted with Martian rocks. Curiosity drilled ancient lakebed mud and found complex organics and long-lasting water. Perseverance is sampling an old river delta in Jezero Crater, one of the best places on the planet to preserve traces of past life. Above them, orbiters track dust storms wrapping around the globe, CO2 frost creeping across the poles, and subtle changes in gases and temperature, revealing that Mars still breathes and changes, even if it looks frozen and dead in a single photo.